Hi, and welcome back. I think this evening, gonna finish the tailgate out. Need to get it in bare metal and probably take the tail light out and bolts and that little bracket, get that sign kind of ground down too, and we'll get it ready for paint as well. And they pop the tailgate down, pop another bead of weld in that hole and grind that back down and go over with some of that finer grit on the little angle grinder and see what that turns out to look like. But other than that, I don't think we'll do much more. Getting out here late again. It's 9:30, so don't got too much time out here. But I think we can finish that out. Then maybe next time do some painting. But anyways, let's head over there and take a look. All right, so basically, I'm gonna try to get this all down to bare metal. Might have to do some hand sanding through here. And then this crease. I think I get most of this with that new little grinder we got. Probably do some sanding, hand sanding in here as well. But need to, before we do that, come in here, put a little bit of weld in here and grind that back down and maybe go back over that with a little sander there. Over that spot and this spot. I think we'll be ready for paint. Next time we'll probably come in here and clean this off and paint this back piece in that flat black. And then come back up here and clean all this off and spray in that etching primer green. Probably gonna have to go over this a little bit with some more paint since I got a little crazy with it. But, well, we can deal with that later. Anyways, let's get to work and get this knocked out tonight. Well, I think we're in a good spot tonight. Got the best I could in here. Well, there's still some paint. I can't get in there. Same way over here. Just gouged it up pretty good. That's about as close as I can get. Need to clean it off real good. Just hesitant on pulling these out because they got really hard to turn. So I'm probably gonna shoot some PV blaster down in there and let it sit and try to get them off next time. If I can, we'll grind this down over here and get this ready for paint. But that side looks pretty good. I think we're ready. Just need to get all that goofy stuff out. And clean this up best we could. Doesn't look too bad. I think it'll work. And this, I mean, it's rough, but at least there's no holes. I think I can make that work. But we'll probably spray this first next time. Might run this over that to scuff it up a little bit, but probably paint that, let it dry. And then come back, clean this off, and paint this, and call it good. And next week, we may start in here on this side, getting that to look like that side. Well, that's all I got for you tonight. See you next time.